Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Jelly Feliciano Arcarna, 35 years old. I live in San Alejandro, Quezon, City. I'm a single parent. I have one kid boy, aged 8 years old. I have one brother and 3 sisters, and I am the eldest. I'm a high school graduate. I have work experience for 4 years in Saudi Arabia since 2019 to 2022. I serve a couple and 2 children, ages 10 years old and 3 years old. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, ironing, washing dishes, washing clothes, and taking care of the children. Ma'am and Sir, I am polite, caring, loving, patient. Ma'am and Sir, if you hire me, I will do my very best to work with you, and I treat your family as my own. Have a good day. God bless.